Hello, Year Fives, and this is our third revision session for this week. And today we are going to be revisiting multiplying 3 digits by 1 digits. So let's get ready and see what we remember from the last couple of weeks. So, on your pieces of paper in front of you, could you please complete these multiplications? Do that now and pause the video. Okay, so remember when we multiply by 2, it's the same as doubling something, isn't it? So you should have got the following: 480, 600, and 684. Okay, so you can see that I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and in each row I have got the number 243. So to write that as a multiplication, I could write it as 243 because there are 243 in each row, and I have got a total of 4 rows. So I could write it like that: 243 multiplied by 4. Now I'm going to exchange my ones. So you can see that I have circled 10 ones, and I'm going to go to the swap shop and change those 10 ones for 1 10. And I'm now going to change 10 tens for 100. So I'm going to take those 10 tens, go to the swap shop and swap those for 100. So now I can count my total, and I've got 2 ones there, 7 tens and 9 hundreds. So 243 multiplied by 4, or 243 4 times, is equal to 972. Let's have a look at this. Mr. Turtle says, I think the answer is 45. What do you think? So if I go to my place value method, I am going to have 150 in one row. So I've got 100 and 5 tens, and you can see I've got a total of 3 rows there. So I'm going to do 150 3 times. Now I'm going to change my 10 tens into 100. So I'm going to take those to the swap shop and change that for 100. So that gives me a total of 450. So he has missed out his 0, hasn't he? He hasn't thought about the fact that it is 150 multiplied by 3. Right, let's have a look at this question here. Now we're going to have a look at using the written method next alongside our place value charts. So we're going to put in our 123, and you can see I've got 123 4 times. So I'm going to change my 10 ones. So I'm going to first of all do 3 multiplied by 4, my ones, and that's going to give me 12. On the next layer, I'm going to do my 10, so I'm going to write 20 multiplied by 4, and that is 80. And then on my next layer, I'm going to do the 100, so that's 100 multiplied by 4, and that would give me 400. And then after that, I will add them, the total up, so that would give me, so I'm going to exchange that. So my 10 ones will give me 110. So now I've got 2 ones left in my place value, you can see, and then that would give me 9 tens and 4 hundreds. So I've got a total of 492. Let's have a look at this one here. So now, we've just done that. We've got 3 ones times 4 is 12 ones. 2 tens is 8 tens. 8 tens plus 1 is going to give me my 9 tens. And then my 100 multiplied by 4 is going to give me my 400. So that's how I've got 492. Let's have a look at this one here. So I've got 103 multiplied by 4. So I'm going to first of all multiply my ones, aren't I? So my first layer, I have got 3 multiplied by 4, which is going to give me 12. Next, I'm going to do my tens. I've got 0 tens, haven't I? So that's going to be 0 multiplied by 4, which is nothing. But you can see I've got 10 ones there that I've carried, so I'm going to have to carry that over. And then I've got 100 multiplied by 4, which is going to give me my 400, and I'm going to place that there. So my total is going to be 412. Let's have a look at this one here. So first of all, you are going to do your ones. So you're going to do 3 multiplied by 1 is 21. You're going to put the 1 underneath your ones and then move the 2 tens over. Then you're going to do your 10. So that's going to be 50 multiplied by 7, which is 350. And then you've also got that 2 tens there, aren't you? So that's going to give you 35 tens plus 2 tens, which is 37 tens. So you put your 7 there under the tens and you carry over your 3 tens, your 3 lots of tens there. And then you've got 7 multiplied by 100, that gives you 700, and you add on the 300s there. Yeah, so that's now going to give you 1,000, isn't it? So that's going to give you 1,071. Okay, have a go, Year 5s, at completing the practice question. So you have got some questions to multiply 3 digits by 1 digit, and you can use the method that we have spoken about. I will put this up as an example, so don't forget you are going to do it like this. You're going to multiply your ones first, then your tens, and then your hundreds, and then you add them all up together. So I would like you to practice using this method and to complete the 6 questions attached. And I look forward to seeing your work.